Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado, who is said to be become the 53rd Chief Justice of India. Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant, who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India. Right answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan, who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing. Right answer is option A, Parag Jain, who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025. Right answer is option C, Banu Mastaq. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Indonesia. Who authored the book named Why the Constitution Matters? Right answer is option B, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025. Right answer is option D, Mohan Lal, who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025. Right answer is option B, Opal Suchata Chuangsri. Varkala Cliff, which was recently placed in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option A, Malaysia. What is the rank of India in the recently released Henley Passport Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 85th rank. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Right answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option B, Foundation to Educate Girls. Mondo Duplantis, who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2025, is associated with which sport? Right answer is option B, pole vault. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. Which country has officially become the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance? Right answer is option C, Moldova, who will be awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for its outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature. Right answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla, who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2025 in the field of physics. Right answer is option D, all of the above, John Clarke, Mitchell H. Deverett, and John M. Martinez. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Marinjela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Where was the ninth edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Right answer is option C, V. Narayanan. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. Who has become the 11th member of the ASEAN in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Timor-Leste. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Leela Abolela. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odede. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan has been appointed as the Vice President of which bank? Right answer is option A, New Development Bank. India's first ever cheetah safari for tourists has recently been inaugurated at which national park? Right answer is option C, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award for 2025? Right answer is option D, Inquis. What is India's rank in the 2025 Human Development Index released by UNDP? Right answer is option C, 130th rank. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. How many Ramsar sites are there in India as of October 2025? Right answer is option D, 94 Ramsar sites. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Where has ISRO launched the Hope mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Who has been awarded the Ballon d'Or Award 2025 in the men's category? Right answer is option C, Osman Dembele. Manipur won Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy tournament by defeating which team? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Liu Xiaokun of China. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option B, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Which medal has Neeraj Chopra won in the Diamond League Final 2025? Right answer is option B, silver medal. Who has won the first Chess Esports World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. In which state is India's first bamboo-based biorefinery being set up? Right answer is option A, Numaligarh, Assam. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who won the Shastra Ramanujan Prize in 2025? Right answer is option B, Alexander Smith. Where is the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 being held? Right answer is option D, Mumbai. What is the name of the world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? Right answer is option B, Adi Sanskriti. India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve, which has received formal recognition from IUCN, is located in which region? Right answer is option B, Park Bay, Tamil Nadu. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risk? Right answer is option B, Günter Blossil, who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025. Right answer is option C, Sirish Chandra Murmu, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025. Right answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. How many individuals were awarded the Goldman Environment Prize in 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 individuals. Ahmednagar railway station has been renamed as Ahilya Nagar is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who has been posthumously honored with the PV Narasimha Rao Award for Economics in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Dr. Manmohan Singh, who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025 for mathematics. Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara, who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature 2025. Right answer is option C, Laszlo Krasna-Horkai. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 102nd rank. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Guneri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch its first space docking mission, SpaceX? Right answer is option C, PSLV C-60. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Which Indian group won the Equator Initiative Award 2025 by UNDP? Right answer is option A, BB Fatima's self-help group. Which Indian state or UT hosted the 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Sene Takaichi has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Japan. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the Executive Director at which institution? Right answer is option D, International Monetary Fund. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who won the both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 titles by defeating England in the finals? Right answer is option C, India. Who was awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Right answer is option B, Surya Bala. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open Tennis Championships 2025? Right answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Who won the women's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Right answer is option D, Iga Swiatek. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand, which has become the first European country to withdraw from International Criminal Court. Right answer is option C, Hungary. Who has been appointed as the president of the FICCI for 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, Anant Goenka. Who has been recently appointed as the head of the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Right answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai. Which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time in 2025? Right answer is option C, Indore. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Where is India's largest green ammonia project being established? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.